Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on OnlyFans. So, let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser and log into your OnlyFans account using your username and password. Once you are in, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop down menu, select Settings. Now, inside the Settings page, go to the Profile tab. Here you will find a field labeled Display Name. This is the name that appears on your public profile and is visible to your subscribers. To change it, simply delete your current name and type in the new name you want to use. After that, click on Save. Your new display name will be updated immediately and shown on your profile. And that's it. Now you know how to change your name on OnlyFans. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.